Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Structure Design Experts. In this lecture we will study about the how to draw the circular beam as well slab. You can say that it is a cantilever beam or cantilever slab. So today we will design balcony which is width is 2.5 meter outside uh, from the x direction, and you can design for different positions such as in y directions and x direction as the architecture designed. So first of all we select the this line and go to replicate this line, and here is you see select the line linear and x that this is we are in x direction, so if we y direction, so you should to write in y direction with minus sign because it is outside of the x direction, so it will be represented by minus sign minus 2.50 and okay. So the line will be shown outside of the building. You see here the line has been replicated. Now assign the beam. So select the beam. This is all the signs, but we will select this one, and here select the B1 as we already provided in section property. So here select the not a straight line, 3 arc points. So select, click on first point and click on the second point and then click on the third point, final point. So this line is we replicated just for the measurements, just to know the exact location of the third point for the arc. So now deleted the line. As you know that we have already selected all the stories, so therefore all the stories the circular beam assigned are in all stories, so we no need it is unusable in ground floor and top, so we will delete it from these 2 points. If you select one story and then you will replicate it to story 2 and 3, it is also the better way, but here we already selected all the stories, so we delete it. No problem if you want to delete it. If you select one story and then replicate to other stories, so all easy for you. So now we have to assign the slab. Basic thing is here is slab. So how to assign the slab? Select, we are selecting one story, similar story, sorry. When you select similar story, so the slab will be assigned. So select the first point and then the midpoint of the arc and then the third point here and click on the center. Okay, that's okay. No click, just press the escape button. No, here we not click again, so wait for this. So the slab assigned. So now from other side repeat the same process. Select the slab, just wait while the process is slow, the system is a little bit slow. So select the first point, then second point, then third point and go to the join. The slab has been joined, just press the escape button. Okay, so slab assigned. So in the top story there is we no need the slab, so delete this slab. If you need the slab here, you can leave it here, but here we no need for the top story. So go to the so that is the way how to draw the circular beam. Dear friends, If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because we are making a lot of videos regarding structure designing. So thank you for watching the video and stay with us.